This free tutorial will show you and guide you through on how to change the aspect ratio in Capcut PC completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Step number 1, assuming you have Capcut PC open up and loaded, and you have your video on the timeline down below, this is how you can change the aspect ratio. Now go to the middle hand screen, and then on the bottom right hand screen, click the third option or icon. As we can see, our video clip is currently 9:16. If you click the first option, you can change it to the original aspect ratio, or you can click on it and you can click custom and then input the following settings as so and click save. You can even go back and click custom and see how the aspect ratio has changed in our video in Capcut PC. Click original. It goes back to the original short form content, or you can click 16:19, and that's how you do it completely for free.